What's up mga kapadyak? Alright, in today's video, we bought something new from Lazada and it is a dog bicycle leash. Alright, so dog bicycle leash, we're gonna use this. It's supposed to go into or attach to the seat post ng bike natin, and then it's gonna have a leash that connects to the dog's collar. Alright, testing natin kung okay siya and if we're gonna be able to walk Taco here. Taco is a big husky. He's kind of strong, and I'm not sure if we're going to be able to hold him with this leash and a bike, but we're going to try it out. So this video is going to be testing this product out. All right. Okay, so let's open it up. Tingnan natin kung laman ito. Okay. Okay, may parang ziplock bag. Alright, so I'm guessing this attaches to the seat post right here, and then itong leash will go to his collar. So ano siya, elastic, so hindi niya bigla-bigla mahihila yung yung bike. So may konting play dito para lang malaman niya na he's not supposed to go too far away from the bike. Alright, and then it comes with an Allen wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. So I guess to tighten the clamp. Alright, medyo maliit yung goma na sinama dito. Magagasgas yung seat post natin. So I'll probably find something that will be a bigger piece than this. Okay, so we'll be back. We'll check it out and see how it attaches. Alright, so I found some styrofoam or some, I don't know what this is. This piece of styrofoam. Let's try to use this foam pad. Hope it works. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. And we just need to tighten it. Okay, I lost the Allen. Okay, I think that's okay. Iinit tayo ng konti. Tighten pa. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, guys. Are you ready? Okay. So may extra leash tayo. So we got 2 points of connection. One is with me on my hand, and then the other one is going to be on the bike. So doble. This is just to guide him, tell him where to turn. All right. Let's try it out. All right. So we're gonna try it out. All right. Ready, Taco? Let's go. Come on. Whoop. Okay, slowly. Slow down. Baka gusto mo kang bagalan ng konti. Okay, packet ay lain mo ako ah. Okay, pull. 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 Mush. Kala ko malakas ka. Hatak, Taco Bear. Up, 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 up. Doing good, come on. Up, 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 up. Easy, easy. Very good. Good boy. Okay. Come here. You ready to run? Oop. Kaya lang may humps. Alright, we've got our second passenger trying out this dog leash, bicycle dog leash. Alright, we've got Olly here. Olly is very hyperactive. So, hopefully hindi niya ako kalagkarin sa buong village. But we'll be keeping our hands. Okay, yeah, alright. Mamadali na, gusto na. Sige, let's go. Okay. Alright, calm down. Move. Okay, good job, Olly. Ingat, you're going into my lane. Calm down. Relax. Iba talaga pag naghahanap ng pusa eh. There we go. Ganyan lang. Trot. Calm yourself. Oy. Ayan, sige, hilahin mo ako. Yan. Sige. Okay. O, hilahin mo ako pataas, ha. Sige, go. Hila. Wala naman, hindi ka naman nanghihila eh. Ano ko, hilahin mo ako. Come on. Up. Nahanap mo. Whee! Oop, hila pa rin. Oop. Masyado kang Okay. Hindi ka mapagod ha. Sige. Tingnan natin. We'll go Ay. Papagurin kita ngayon. Tingnan natin. You can handle it. Alright, let's go. Come on, let's go. Hoof it up, hoof it up. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Faster. Faster. Come on, faster. Paunahin mo muna sila. Okay. Let's go. Uy, come on. Okay siya. Approved. Alright, pasado. Only comment I'll have, umiikot pa rin to no matter how much you tighten this. Especially with the bigger dog like Taco, malakas talaga humila. Iikot talaga to. So you have to kind of use your leg to keep this bar on the side instead of going forward. Kasi pag umikot siya, hindi ka na makakapedal na maayos. So, for the most part, pag inihila ka, hindi ka na talaga magpepedal dahil umaandar ka na eh. And, but, you know, there's gonna be certain portions na sa lakas ng hila ng aso, it's gonna go forward na. So, just use your leg, your hamstrings to keep it back. That way, hindi siya iikot. But, for me, very convenient, very handy, especially for hyperactive huskies. Hindi na uubos yung energy nila eh. You know, they love to run, they love to move. So, it's hard to keep up with them, especially with just walking. So, the bike is an effective way for them to get their exercise. So, hindi lang yung owner nakikinabang, pati yung mga pets. Alright, so that's our review for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Say bye, Taco. Say bye. 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 Nya, 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 nya. Okay.